The water-soluble vitamins are the B complex, which in general help with energy metabolism, both breaking down the food you eat and also building back up proteins. So energy metabolism and protein synthesis. And they can be found in whole grains as well as a variety of other foods, including some proteins. Excuse me, meats. The other water-soluble vitamin that's not a B complex is vitamin C, and it's found in fresh fruits and vegetables. It can also be found in meat, and it is an antioxidant. It helps, and it also helps your body process and take up calcium and vitamin D. But another important thing is the antioxidant. It traps free radicals to help maintain the integrity of cell membranes and tissue. Okay, and down along this side, I'm not going to go through all this, but along the side of all this talk about vitamins, I just copied something off the internet that listed all the different B vitamins, starting with thiamine, and it gives about how much you need per day, and where you can find these types of foods for each of these different B vitamins. You don't have to memorize all of this. I mean, I gave in detail one example, but if you're interested in how much you need and where you can find these different vitamins in your foods, I thought I would just copy it here. Okay, so it's kind of interesting to know, you know, what these vitamins do and where you can find them and how much you need per day. And just also to recognize that if you eat a well-rounded diet, you ought to get everything you need, okay, how much you need per day. And then on down here, vitamin B6, vitamin B7, biotin, vitamin B9, folic acid, we've already talked about it and how much you need. That's micrograms a day, by the way, not milligrams. And then vitamin B12 is only on a microgram level. And a lot of times the vitamin B12 is found in these foods, but also most people have bacteria in the gut that also produce vitamin B12. So it's highly unusual to find a B12 deficiency, but if you do have one, a lot of times that means there's something wrong with your intestines. Okay, so that's just some information if you're interested in reading more about the water-soluble B complex vitamins. Okay, let me real quick tell you about the fat-soluble vitamins here. There's 4 fat-soluble vitamins: vitamin A, D, E, and K. And again, remember, these are stored in your body. This is just a quick review of where you can find them. Vitamin A is important for vision, bone growth, and skin health, and it's found in brightly colored vegetables. That's easy to remember. The best source, of course, is like carrots and sweet potatoes. Vitamin D is important for bone growth. As it turns out, your body can metabolize vitamin D just by getting 30 minutes to 3 hours of sunshine, and it's actually the ultraviolet light in the sunshine, not the visible light, that that starts the synthesis of vitamin D in your skin. And it starts off with cholesterol, actually, and cholesterol is changed into vitamin D. And the reason why there's a range in the amount of sun exposure that you need per day is depending on how much melanin you have in your skin. That means how dark your skin is. You need more time, because the melanin absorbs the ultraviolet light. So if your skin is darker, you need more time in the sun to produce the vitamin D that you need. You can also get it, you know, from foods, vitamin D enriched milk and juice and whatnot. Vitamin E is an antioxidant in fatty tissue, and it's found in vegetable oils. And then vitamin K is necessary for blood clotting, and this also is produced by intestinal bacteria.